Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the pickup time on a Best Buy order. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and extend the pickup time on a Best Buy order. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto the Best Buy app and then make sure that the order that you've ordered is connected to your account. So you should already be logged into your account. Now you're going to see the order status here. So it should say ready to pick up. Click on the order and then click on order details located on the bottom here. And then once you click on order details, click on extend pickup. And then by extending the pickup, it's going to go and extend how much time you need in order to pick this up. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and extend the pickup time on your Best Buy order. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.